how to use it. How you want. Okay. Hey, yo, John Coltrane, he played the sax. Me, myself, I love the max. Up in the studio, laying tracks. Burn it on the CD, melt the wax. And I'm feeling fine, cause daily music's on my mind. And I feel mellow when I watch the girl play the cello. Hello to all my fellow peers in here for the quality, music quality. Yeah, that'll be the focus and the topic of the day. So pass the beats like we used to say. Pass the beats like we used to say. Pass the funk like they used to say. That's my joint like we used to say. Syncopation, the true school word.
I don't know what you came to do. I came to drop the funk on you. So Panasonic sound. But you know what?
They want music. They want music. They just want boom, boom, boom.